Hello guys, so welcome to our channel Math Magic. So the question is find the value of x. Root 2 plus root x equals to 2. How to do this? If you think this is so easy, send this root 2 to this side and then square both sides. So let's see what happens. Root x equals to 2 minus root 2 squaring both sides. Root x whole square equals to 2 minus root 2 square. X equals to 2 square minus 2 into 2 into root 2 plus root 2 square equals to 4 minus 4 root 2 plus 2 equals to 6 minus 4 root 2. Then it is completely wrong because it have two answers. So let's see how to do this. Root 2 plus root x equals to 2. Squaring both sides. Root 2 plus root x square equals to 2 square. Root 2 square plus 2 into root 2 into root x plus root x square equals to 4. Root 2 square 2 plus 2 root 2x plus x equals to 4. This 2 goes this side, so 2 root 2x plus x equals to 4 minus 2 equals to 2, and 2 plus 2x, this x also goes this side, 2 minus x, then root 2x equals to 2 minus x by 2, again squaring both sides, 2x equals to 2 minus x whole square divided by 4 equals to 4 minus 4x plus x square by 4. So see here, it is a quadratic equation, so it have two solution. So this 4 goes to here and 8x equals to 4 minus 4x plus x square, and then 4 minus 4x plus x square minus 8x equals to 0. Then x square minus 12x plus 4 equals to 0. We get x square minus 12x plus 4 equals to 0. Comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we get a equals to 1, b equals to minus 12, c equals to 4. Then x will be equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a equals to minus of minus 12 plus minus root over minus 12 square minus 4 into 1 into 4 divided by 2 into 1 equals to 12 plus minus root over 144 minus 16 by 2 equals to 12 plus minus root over 128 by 2 And 128 can be written as 4 into 4 into 2 into 2 into 2 and divided by 2 equals to 12 plus minus. From this 2 4, 1 4 comes out of the square root, and from this 2 1 2 will come out from the root, so it will be like this, and under root is only 1 2 and divided by 2 equals to 12 plus minus 8 root 2 by 2 equals to 6 plus minus 4 root 2. So this is the answer, guys. One answer is 6 plus 4 root 2 and another is 6 minus 4 root 2. If you enjoy the video, do like and subscribe. Don't forget to share. Thank you.